I wanted to do an unboxing of some new products that I got. Some of these are from Sale-A-Bration, which is now over. However, I got my order in a little bit later. Not at the beginning of Sale-A-Bration. I had to wait to get a little bit of money together. So, I got our color coach, which I have to put together. And this will show all of the Stampin' Up! Colors and which complementary go together. I got the Mixed Florals stamp set. The dies were out of stock, so I did just order those. I have to wait for them to come in. Pick a Season, which was a free item with Sale-A-Bration. Beautiful Butterflies, which was another free item for Sale-A-Bration. The Distress Tile 3D embossing folder. I'm going to open this up and take a look at it. Kind of get an idea of what it looks like. The Ocean Friends, and I did get the dies as well. Ocean Friends dies. Take a look at these. These are what the dies look like. Painted Stripes. Let me kind of set this back. I'm very excited about this background stamp set. I really like this. Spring Corners. I like all these sentiments that you can use on the corner of your paper. I did not get the dies that match that. I just got the stamp set. I got the frame scene dies, and I just ordered the frame scene stamp set, so that'll be coming in my next order. But I want to show you guys the dies. These are the dies, and they have like a wood grain die in there. This is one of the bit larger embossing folders, Plaster Painting 3D. They just started coming out with these larger sized embossing folders. I like them. So if you could see that. Let's see. The Riverside Irregular Pearls. You see how pretty those are? Then the Low Profile Dots. And I also got the Antique Pearls. My phone does not want to stay straight today. And then the Mini Corrugated 3D Embossing Folder. That's what that one looks like. Then this is another larger embossing folder. It's the Birchwood 3D embossing folder. That's what that one looks like. I got the textured note dies. Open these up and show them to you. These are really neat. I like all the different edging on them. That'll be a lot of fun to use. The Sunny Days Iridescent Dots. This goes with the Ocean Friends. And then the two-tone Sparkle Gems. Those are really pretty. Natural Botanicals. This I got free as a Sale-A-Bration item, but I believe that it is also an item that you can still purchase in online exclusives. The Corners in Bloom, which was a Sale-A-Bration item. I got that for free. The Hole Punch assortment. I thought this would be perfect for using for making tags. I got the By Your Side kit, which is the kit that has the dogs and cats on it. So I want to put that one together. The Mixed Media Florals 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. And the Friends of the Ocean 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. The Friends of the Ocean paper. I love the bright colors in this. Let me see if I can take this out and show you a little bit. It's just got these wonderful bright colors. And you can use the dies to cut these out as well that come in the bundle. And then the Mixed Media Florals. Let's see if I can get this. So you can see the back sides of them as well. And then I got another glass mat. So this comes with the glass mat accessories. And then the glass mat itself, which comes packaged pretty nicely. I just want to open it and show you guys. So it comes packaged and it has these guards on the side. And the reason I got two is because my mom comes over and she crafts a lot with me. So I wanted to have one for the space that she sits in on my desk. I have two chairs, and then for my space. So that was my order. And then I have a couple other items coming within like the next week or so. So I'll share those once I get those as well. I haven't placed an order in a while. I haven't been very creative lately. So I'm hoping that this order sparks some creativity and gets me back into making some more cards. So thank you guys so much for watching. I just received the second part of my order. I have the mixed label dies, which go with the mixed label stamp set. Just want to open up the dies and take a look at them. So these are the dies that you get with the Mixed Labels die set. So I got that bundle, the Everyday Arches bundle. Straighten this up again. So that's a stamp set. And then the Everyday Arches dies. So there's the die set. Then the Elements of Text stamp set. The Framed Scene stamp set. I think this one will be really good for watercoloring. The Classic Letters, which is on clearance right now. And then I told you I had the Mixed Floral stamp set, but the dies were out of stock. The Mixed Floral dies are finally back in stock, so I got those. You can take a look at these. If I can get them out of the package. Why this keeps, sorry about that. And then these were the dies. So I just wanted to show you those since those just came in. It was just some stuff that I wanted on my first order that wasn't available. So now that it was available, I said, let me order it quick and get it in and have some new stuff to create with.